Question hook: ever wondered if you need to show your ID to open a Monzo account? It's a common question, especially for those who are new to digital banking. Let's dive in and find out. Building context. Monzo overview. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. It's a great choice for those looking for a hassle-free banking experience. ID requirements in traditional banking. Before we get into Monzo, let's quickly discuss the traditional banking landscape. In most cases, you'll need to provide identification documents like a passport or driver's license to open a bank account. This is a security measure to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with regulations. The Monzo difference. Digital-first approach. Monzo is a digital-first bank, meaning it operates primarily online. This approach allows them to streamline their processes and reduce the need for physical documentation. Simplified onboarding. When opening a Monzo account, you'll be guided through a simple online application process. You'll be asked for basic information like your name, address, and date of birth. No ID requirement. The key point here is that Monzo does not require you to upload a copy of your ID during the account opening process. This is a significant departure from traditional banking practices. Why no ID? Leveraging technology. Monzo utilizes advanced technology to verify your identity. They may use methods like open banking, credit reference checks, or other digital verification tools. These methods can provide a high level of confidence in your identity without requiring physical documentation. Focus on user experience. Monzo aims to provide a seamless and convenient banking experience. By eliminating the need for ID uploads, they simplify the onboarding process and make it more accessible to a wider range of customers. Security concerns. Addressing doubts. While the lack of ID requirements may raise some security concerns, it's important to note that Monzo takes security very seriously. They have robust security measures in place to protect your personal and financial information. Continuous monitoring. Monzo continuously monitors your account activity for suspicious behavior. If they detect any unusual activity, they'll take appropriate steps to protect your funds. Additional considerations. Age restrictions. While Monzo doesn't require an ID for account opening, there may be age restrictions in place. You'll need to meet the minimum age requirements to open an account. Verification process. In some cases, Monzo may request additional verification if they need to confirm your identity for specific transactions or services. This could involve providing proof of address or other documents. Conclusion. Recap. To summarize, you generally don't need to provide an ID to open a Monzo account. Monzo leverages technology to verify your identity and streamline the onboarding process. While security is a top priority, Monzo has measures in place to protect your information. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a convenient and digital-friendly banking experience, Monzo could be a great option for you. Its simplified account opening process and innovative features make it a popular choice among many. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo or opening an account, visit their website or download their app. Closing. Ending sharply. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.